Hi, I'm Katie. We asked you to send in a photo of your dream taco for the Make It Your Way challenge found in the Young Chefs Club taco truck box. We got some pretty awesome and super creative submissions. We asked Zoe, one of our recipe testers, to come in and show us how to make her dream taco.
Take my raspberry mochi and then take a slice of peach and do the same.
Zoe is here today to show us how to make
Mochi tacos.
Now, tacos are everywhere, and they can be made with a ton of different ingredients and a ton of different styles. But what do they all have in common?
The taco architecture.
Exactly. They all have a wrapper, a filling, toppings, and usually a sauce. So, your taco is a sweet taco. I think we're used to seeing more savory tacos. What made you think of this super unique taco?
So at first I was gonna do a gummy taco. Gummy lettuce, gummy tomato, gummy everything. And my mom said, that's not gonna be very interesting. It's only gonna be gummy. And so I kept the gummy idea going with mochi, but then added my two favorite fruits, peach and raspberry.
Awesome. I love the idea of two favorite fruits and different textures. Now, if we were really thinking outside of the box, what else could we put into a taco?
Anchovies. Starfruit, Skittles. I've heard you can eat piranha.
Okay, let's take a look at what some of the other young chefs in the club made for their dream taco. Lawman, age 11, made an oven-fried ice cream taco.
I've never had fried ice cream.
I haven't either, especially not in the oven. Wouldn't it just melt?
Well, I think you put like a batter coating around it.
Smart.
Like a chicken nugget, but with ice cream instead of chicken.
Now there's a taco idea. I like it.
Greta and Grace, ages 10 and 7, made a shrimp taco for Cinco de Mayo, a Mexican holiday.
That looks like the perfect food for Cinco de Mayo. I would serve it at a party.
Good.
Absolutely.
I'd gladly eat that.
Keeping it healthy. Our 6-year-old friend Molly made Molly's special recipe. What's in there, Zoe?
Meatballs. Meatballs.
Meatballs. Why did we think of that? That's a great idea for a taco.
Nina, who is 10 years and 348 days old, made Nina's Lebanese tacos.
Ooh, lavash with ground meat? It's a very big taco. I think I'd like that for lunch.
I could probably have that for 2 meals.
Probably.
I don't eat a lot.
Great. Now, let's talk about your ingredients, Zoe. Whoa, Zoe, tell me about these magic ingredients.
So, for a wrapper, we've got a rice paper wrapper.
Okay, and your filling?
For our filling, raspberry mochi.
What is mochi?
It's like a gummy treat made out of rice flour.
And did you make this yourself?
Yep, I just added a raspberry puree.
Oh, I'm super impressed. And what about your topping?
Peaches.
And what did you use for your sauce?
Confectioner sugar.
Oh, sugar sauce, I love it. So you're the boss, Zoe. Could you show us how you make your taco?
All right. So first, the rice paper wrapper is pretty plasticky. So you soak it in a dish of warm water. Push it down, spin it around, move it very gently.
Okay, and what kind of texture are you going for?
Eventually it'll be like a wet shirt. It'll cling to itself. It'll
Like
be
a
little
wet
rubbery.
shirt. Wise teacher of mine once told me that. Her name was Zoe. Spoiler alert, it was her.
Once you put it down, it might still get more wrinkles, so just smooth it out. So
Great.
now we're going to put the mochi in.
Okay.
You put this raspberry mochi about 2 fingers from one edge.
Okay.
Put 1 or 2 peach slices on top. I'm choosing 2 because I love peach.
Great.
Take the edge that the mochi is closest to, the edge that you put it 2 fingers away from, and fold it up.
Okay.
Then fold the sides up and over.
Wait a second. This looks familiar. This looks like how you make a burrito.
But it's a taco. It's a tacorito then.
A tacorito. I'll take it. That's awesome. That looks so great. Can you help me make one?
Sure.
Awesome. Now, for that special sugar sauce, Zoe, will you do the honors?
Gladly.
Whoa, that looks awesome. Really brings it all together, Zoe.
Like a winter wonderland.
Like a winter wonderland. I love it. All right, let's taste this mochi tacorito.
Yum.
Yum. I love all the fruit in there. I like your powdered sugar lipstick. I don't think I've ever tasted anything quite like this.
It's the best tacorito I've ever had, and it's the only tacorito I've ever had.
Very unique. For more recipes, check out our website and try the Make It Your Way challenge yourself. Have an adult take a picture or a video of you making your dream taco or share it on social media. #ATKKids. Are you rolling? Okay. Wow, I thought you were gonna do it to me. I got lucky. You just did it to yourself.
Now I know how the mochi feels.